Do you want to be $1 million gut salesperson? Well, I'm going to share with you one of the homework assignments, one of the tips I give all my students. I mentor people one-on-one, and one of the first things I teach people is they've got to be more outgoing. They've got to interact with people. They've got to be the protagonists out there. You have to go out, and imagine this for a moment. You have to speak to 5 strangers a day. We meet people in the supermarkets, in the Costco's, in the Walmarts, and the coffee shops and places we go. I want you to go out there. Can you interact with a person for at least 60 seconds or more? A total stranger. Makes you a little nervous, doesn't it? What did Mom say? Don't talk to strangers. Your Uncle Claude says talk to everybody. To be a great salesperson, to make a lot of money, you have to be engaging. You have to stimulate conversations with people. You have to learn to ask questions that get you a response back, that get those people interested in you. If you can get people to participate, to talk to you, to like you, to trust you, and you can interact with a total stranger, you have now the gift. Some people might call it the gift of gab. To be a great salesperson, you've got to practice, hone your skills. You have to not only be a person who studied a lot of psychological triggers, but you also have to be a good actor, not to be disingenuous or manipulative, but you have to be able to go to a stranger and just say, hey, how's your day going? Oh, man, I like those sunglasses. Where did you get them from? I bet they were expensive. We did it just the other day. I was at Walmart, and the woman had an Apple, one of these Apple Watches. I have one too, and she had the Mickey Mouse face on. I said, "Oh, do you like Mickey?" Oh, and she was just a checker at Walmart, and she just started lighting up and smiling. Can you make people smile? Can you make them laugh? Can you make them interested in you? If you can do this on a regular basis, what happens when those skills translate to your business? Okay, stop using garbage scripts and sounding like a robot like everyone else. Learn to interact with people. Learn to do, it's called the EQ, the emotional quotient. If you can get people interested, emotional, where they start, people won't start a conversation with a stranger in most cases. That's your responsibility. You're responsible of learning how to interact with people, qualifying them very quickly in just 3 minutes or less, getting commitments from them, getting orders on capital sales. Can you imagine? I'm in real estate also. I can qualify, I can close people in 1 phone call, sometimes 2, never 3. I learned this from my mentor, Max. He had the gift. He could go on that phone. People would like him. They would trust him. How do you get this gift? Because you know the story about me. I'm the shy guy. I changed. Becoming more confident takes work. It takes time. You have to understand how other people think. Can you be a guts mind reader? Because if you can, and you can interact with at least 5 strangers a day, you will see such magic happen in your business, in your career. It'll make you feel so good. It'll empower you. You will just love it. 5 people a day. You can do it. I know you can. Just think of some questions to ask. Be spontaneous. Be creative. Have fun. Challenge yourself to make someone smile, to become interested in you. And you will see magic happen in your income, in your business, and the way you feel about yourself so quickly. This is the magic of the gut sales method. I've been studying psychology for years and years, many different methods and doctors and different things. And this is the stuff that changed my world. I went from a guy who was always worried about money to be completely financially free the rest of my life. And it was always back to sales. Nobody deserves success more than you. Learn this stuff, practice it, and you will see magic happen all the time. And I do answer my own phone, 970-281-5151, here in beautiful Winter Park, Colorado. We still have some snow in the backyard here, and I might even go skiing, do a little skiing today, and here it is, late April. But life is good if you give good phone. And that's what I want you to do. If you enjoy these videos, share them with your friends. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.